To install the ridge flashing, first place the broadfloot closures on top of the sheeting, then place the ridge flashing on top. Make sure that the broadfloot closure is directly in line with the ridge flashing. The best way to fasten the ridge flashing is to use blind rivets. Alternatively, you can use a stitching screw or 16mm tack screws where both will require a roof washer to prevent leakage. All pop rivets must be installed on top of a rib of the sheeting, spaced about 500mm apart. When you join two ridge flashings together, you will need to overlap them with 300mm. Place silicone on top of the bottom flashing, then place the flashing on top and fasten them all together to the sheeting with blind rivets. If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.